Hey everybody, welcome back. Guess what? It's time to give away another set of guitar plans. I'd just like to take a second here to ask you to share my videos wherever you can. That would help me out. Also, if you think I deserve it, please hit the like button. And if you're not subscribed, to do so now and click the bell notification button, because you're going to be giving away more guitar plans and you're not going to want to miss out. Okay, and the winner is Lukey F. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. His sarcastic comment was, he deserves to win these plans because I owe him for watching my videos. Honestly, no truer words have ever been spoken. Sarcastic or not. So, Lukey F, contact me at boudreaux_guitars@yahoo.com, and I'll send them to you in a PDF format. Load those suckers on a thumb drive, take them to your local Staples or whatever store you use, and they'll print them out full size for you, and you can get building. All right? And we'll be back soon with another guitar plans giveaway, and this is going to be a good one. So, you guys behave yourselves. Peace.